What has hands but cannot clap? A clock. It has hands that move all the time, but they were never meant to clap. What has a face and two hands but no arms or legs? A clock. Its face shows the time clearly even though it has no body at all. What gets wetter the more it dries? A towel. It absorbs water as it dries things, becoming wetter in the process. What has a neck but no head? A bottle. It has a narrow neck, but it's not a living thing. What has many keys but can't open a single lock? A piano. Its keys are made for music, not for opening doors. What comes once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in 1,000 years? The letter M. It appears in certain words, but not in others at all. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. What am I? An echo. It repeats sounds without having a body, ears, or a voice. What can travel around the world while staying in one corner? A stamp. It stays in one spot but still journeys across countries. What has one eye but cannot see? A needle. Its eye holds thread, not vision. What goes up but never comes down? Your age. No matter what happens, it only moves in one direction. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What is it? Footsteps. Every step you take leaves a mark behind you. What has cities but no houses, rivers but no water? A map. It shows places and paths without being real. What is always in front of you but can't be seen? The future. It's always coming but never visible. What breaks without being touched? A promise. Words alone can destroy it completely. What has a heart that doesn't beat? An artichoke. Its heart is something you eat, not something that pumps blood. I am not alive, but I grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. What am I? Fire. It grows with oxygen and spreads without being alive. The person who makes it has no need of it. The person who buys it has no use for it. The person who uses it can't see it. What is it? A coffin. It's made for someone who can never see or use it. I shave every day, but my beard stays the same. Who am I? A barber. He shaves others, not himself. What disappears the moment you say its name? Silence. The instant you speak, it's gone. I have branches, but no fruit, trunk, or leaves. What am I? A bank. Its branches handle money, not nature.